Hello everyone, this is Redoy. In this video, I am going to show you how you can scrape the thousands of niche targeted email addresses from Instagram. You can use this email for email campaign or email outreach as well, depending on your needs. So without further ado, let me show you the step-by-step process there. So I'm in my Chrome browser and make a search. Let's say site.sitecloneinstagram.com, and I'm targeting personal trainer as of now, and the targeted location is New York, and I'm targeting as of now at the rate of gmail.com. That means which profile they are mentioning in their profile, the gmail.com, which as profile we are targeting actually. So depending on your needs, you can change your niche, like let's say plumber, doctor, lawyer, whatever you want, and the location you want to change, and the gmail addresses, if you want to, depending on your needs, you can mention yahoo.com, msn.com, and whatever you want. So after that, we just simply search it, hit on enter, and as you can see in this page, there is 8450 result is there. That means 4,000 email is there. So now for your better understanding, I'm just opening 2-3 profiles. As you can see in this profile, they are mentioning the Gmail address. This profile are from New York, and the other profile, if you are go to their profile, as you can see, they are mentioning the email address to their profile, and this is from New York. So now simply go back to the search result, and if I find the email addresses, Control F or Command F at the rate of gmail.com, just take a look, 62 email is there. If I collect the emails to one by one, copy and paste it to a spreadsheet, it will take so much time. In this scenario, we'll use one extension to collect all the email addresses. For this, I'm take one new tab and search email extractor, and then hit enter. In the first result, as you can see, chromewebstore.google.com email extractor. Just simply click on this, and as you can see, the email extractor, I'm gonna attach the link into the video description for your easy access. So now just simply click on add to Chrome. After that, add extension, and the extension has been added to Chrome. So now simply click on the extension list and then click to pin to here. After that, go back to the search result list and just simply reload this page, and that the extension will work properly. You just take a look, just 60 mail is appearing there. Just simply click on extension and that copy to all and paste it to your spreadsheet. After that, go back to the search result list and click on the next pages and just take a look, 64 email is appearing here. Just simply click on the extension and copy all and paste it to spreadsheet. Again, you just go back to the search result list and click on the next. After that, as you can see, 15 email is appearing here. Just copy to all and paste it to here. So this is the process how you can scrape the niche targeted email address from Instagram. I hope this video helpful for you. Please do like and subscribe to get more content like this. If you have any question, feel free to ask me by commenting below. Have a good day. Bye bye.